How to use and claim free stuff from Temu. If you think you've already seen everything Temu has to offer, think again, because there's a whole hidden side of Temu that most people never even explore. It's not just about cheap prices or trending products. It's about secret bonuses, free coupons, and surprise gifts that Temu hides deep inside its system, available only to those who know how to unlock them. And yes, this isn't one of those fake giveaways or clickbait promos. This one's real, and once you activate it, your Temu app literally transforms. You start seeing banners, pop-ups, and bonus offers that normal users never get. When I first came across this trick, I'll be honest, I thought it was just another random internet rumor. But after testing it step by step, I was shocked at how fast it worked. Within just a few minutes, my Temu account got updated with free shipping, extra discount coupons, and even a mystery free gift added to my first order. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process, step by step, so you can unlock your own Temu free gift rewards instantly and start saving from your very first order. Step 1. Activate the hidden Temu free gift code. All right, let's start with the most important part, the hidden code. You'll find it on screen right now, and it's also in the description below this video. To activate it, open your Temu app or download it if you don't have it yet, and enter the code shown on screen in the Rewards or Free Gifts section. This step is like turning a key in a locked door. Without it, you only see the normal discounts that every other user gets. But once you apply this code, you unlock what Temu calls the Free Gift Center, a hidden section that shows bonus rewards, cashback deals, and sometimes even 100% free items. Think of it as an exclusive VIP room inside the app that's invisible to most users. Once you enter the code, give it a few seconds and watch as your Temu dashboard updates automatically with welcome bonuses and free gift offers. Step 2. Download and sign up on the Temu app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, this is your next step. Go to Google Play or the App Store, search for Temu, and download it for free. Once installed, open it and sign up using your email, phone, or Google account. The moment your registration completes, Temu links your account to the free gift system because you already activated the code shown on screen. Now, you'll start seeing messages like Welcome Bonus Activated, Gift Center Unlocked, or Special Offer for New Users. When I did this myself, within seconds, I received a free shipping voucher for my first order, a 25% off coupon, and a mystery box gift worth around $5, all automatically added to my account. Step 3. Claim your hidden rewards. Now, go to your profile section in the Temu app. You'll see an option called Coupons, Perks, or sometimes My Rewards. This is where all your hidden bonuses live. Tap Claim on every single one. If you miss any, it won't appear during checkout. When I first tested this, I found around 5 rewards sitting quietly in this section. After claiming all of them, my total discount jumped from just $2 to nearly $10, and a bonus gadget automatically appeared in my cart. And yes, Temu actually sends those free products. People often receive small gadgets, earbuds, fashion accessories, or even kitchen tools as part of these free gift offers. Step 4. Shop like normal, but watch your discounts stack up. Now it's time for the fun part, shopping. Start exploring Temu's massive catalog, from fashion to electronics, home decor, and trending TikTok gadgets. Add a few items to your cart. You'll notice something amazing happening automatically. Your coupons and rewards will start applying themselves. You might even see small pop-ups that say, "Extra discount applied" or "Gift added to cart." The first time I tried it, I added a $12 LED lamp. After all the applied discounts and vouchers, the total dropped to just $5, and an extra mini product was added automatically as my first order gift. Step 5. Final checkout and hidden gift confirmation. Once your cart looks good, go to checkout. Now, this is where most people make a small mistake. They forget to review their coupons before placing the order. So before you hit place order, tap on use coupon and make sure all your claimed vouchers are active. If something's missing, reapply the code shown on screen. It refreshes your rewards instantly. When you confirm your order, that's it. You've officially unlocked your Temu free gift package. Now wait for the delivery, and when it arrives, you might find something extra inside your parcel. Sometimes it's a small gadget, sometimes it's a fashion accessory, and sometimes even a gift card for your next purchase. It's Temu's way of rewarding engagement and loyalty. Bonus tip: keep checking the free gift center. Here's something most users don't know. The free gift center updates weekly. That means you can claim new rewards every few days by revisiting the section. So, make it a habit. Open Temu, go to your profile, tap Free Gift Center, and check what's new. You might find flash offers like Spin the Wheel, Invite and Earn, or Mystery Gift Box. And yes, all of those are connected to your main rewards, so you can keep stacking them. So that's it. The full, real working process to claim Temu free gifts and hidden bonus rewards. No hacks, no fake apps, no scams. Just official Temu tools that most users overlook. All you have to do is use the code shown on screen, sign up through the link in the description, and claim your free gifts from Temu today. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never shop on Temu the same way again. Enjoy your rewards, and as always, happy shopping!